for some quick facts on the original COPO Camaro ZL1. There it is, 69 ZL1. Get the snowflake on the block, aluminum block. Laughable exhaust size on this thing.
Yeah. Just I'm all new. I don't drive as much as that. Just for, you know, I'm all for like hopefully one of these days.
2019 COPO. That's kind of crazy. The mirror delete plate. 800 volts.
That's awesome. That's awesome. What did, can you imagine?
It's kind of funny, it's still got a small starting battery over there. 16 volt lithium. This could be the future of hot rodding. It's kind of scary, but it may be true. We got a lot of learning to do if it is. Here's the 50th anniversary COPO. This is still gas powered. It's got 427 in it, and it's pretty awesome. I love, well, I don't love it, but the front end of this car looks way better than the SS, the standard SS. Everyone complains about the bow tie. It's back up where it needs to be, and it's body color in the center there, which helps the front end of these cars tremendously. These big old Hoosiers on there. What do we got here? 930 R15. I don't even know what that is. And look at that. It's a straight axle. It's got a 9-inch under. That's pretty awesome. It actually kind of looks like the whole car's back half. You see in the mirror in there. Very cool. Factory race car. Right from Chevrolet. And this color looks way different in real life than it did in the pictures. This is definitely not Krypton green by any means. It's more of a highlighter yellow. kind of still like it, but it's definitely not Krypton green. Again, they dressed up the front end of this car too. Bow tie back in the grille and body color in the center. Looks much better. Here's the other concept. I believe this one has the updated front end also when we get around there. These 15-inch, 16-inch conversion. Nice looking wheel though. Yes. Much needed updated front end on this one too. Looks awesome. These are weld wheels, Chevy Performance weld wheels. $275, $55, 16s is what they're running on this. And I believe it's still independent. Let's take a peek. Yep, still independent rear suspension. I'm undecided on the taillights. They're not hideous, but I still like the 16, 17s better, and 18s. And last, here's the steel Camaro concept, I believe it is. Sorry. It's not my favorite, and I believe it is a V6 also. It's a it's an RS, so it's gonna be a V6.